Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you have seen by the title, today I will be performing a style that can be done on a lace wig. Now, I will be using my mannequin head to demonstrate this style. Her hair is actually 14-inch long and I won't be putting any curl in it. I will just apply the style. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you could be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. To the end of this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye.